Hey friends, if you wish to customize Screensaver on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's very simple. Search for Screensaver in the Windows search bar and click on Change Screensaver. Now all Screensaver settings are here. You can choose any Screensaver, and first of all you can check its preview here. Okay, and let's say this was the blank one. Okay, we have bubbles. You can also change the wait time to 2 minutes or anything, and we can also check the power management settings. So we do not live in an era where we have a lot of options for screensavers, but yeah, we can add a few pictures and all, but other than that we do not have much of options. We can only use a few selected screensavers unlike earlier, and change the wait time. But why is that the case? So I'll tell you the reason behind it. Earlier, when we were using CRT monitors, you know, those big monitors, those big heavy monitors with the CRT screen, that was a different era. And the reason that that era was different is because if the screen remained on the same page for a very long time, then it would create a strain on the screen, a pink colored stain on the glass of the screen. But nowadays we use different monitors, advanced monitors, and they do not need screensavers for this purpose. The only purpose behind the screensaver is to make sure that no one else can check your work. And other than that, here's one more thing. Usually systems automatically get locked these days. So anyway, even if you do not use a screensaver, it will get locked after 3 minutes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.